Howdy food reviews here of Stewart Shop's barbecue chicken sandwich. So let's try this. I think I've tried this before, and I think I reviewed it before. I don't know. Just the right amount of barbecue sauce on that. Not too much and not too little. It's got a good crunch to it too. I think I tried this one time and I didn't like it because it was like too burnt or something. This has like the right amount of crunch to it. It's got like a really good crunch with barbecue chicken taste. Let's see what it looks like. So it's not too much barbecue sauce, which I like because I'm not a big fan of barbecue sauce. So you got the chicken right there. It's not too burnt. It's like burnt on the edges. And last time I think I had this, it was like way too burnt and I didn't like it. But this time it's actually pretty good. I would give this on a scale rating 1 to 10, probably an 8 out of 10. Peace.